Welcome to Label Resizer.
Today, I'll show you how to add SKU-related custom text to Amazon single SKU box labels using Label Resizer. This feature works directly inside Seller Central during label creation. Just make sure the Label Resizer extension is installed and active. Let's begin by going to the Shipping Label Settings page inside Label Resizer. First, choose the label size you're using. Now enable the Add Free Text feature. Once enabled, you'll see a drop-down that lets you increase or decrease the font size of the custom text by up to 50% from the default. Just pick the size you prefer. For example, I selected plus 10%, and then click Save to apply the changes. Now, let's open a pre-created LTL shipment and first take a look at the original Amazon label. These are typical single SKU box labels. Each box contains only one type of product. Now, let's generate the labels with Label Resizer. Clicking the Label Resizer button opens a pop-up to enter custom text, like FNSKU, ASIN, or any note. I'll use ASINs here. The labels have been rotated to make the best use of the available space. And as you can see, the custom text related to the product inside has been added to the bottom of each label. Now let's take a look at how it works with SPD shipment labels. Again, let's first take a look at the original Amazon-generated label. In this type, each box label comes with an associated shipment label. Now, let's generate our labels using Label Resizer. The pop-up opens again, and since Remember My Entries is selected, the last custom texts are already filled in. But this time, I want to enter different text for each one. Once again, we see that the box labels are rotated to make the best use of space. And the custom text we defined for the single SKU boxes is added to the bottom of each label. That's it for now. Make sure to check out our other shipment features as well. They'll definitely come in handy.